Hello, Mumbai. Hello, hey. Before we start the gig, I just like to say a few lines. Thank you so much for being here. Also, thank you G5 Foundation for getting us here to play. This is like, okay, अब थोड़ा सा कर ही लेते हैं. I started my solo journey like exactly 2 years ago with Mehroom, and this is and today is a very special gig because we are playing, you know, half of the second album that we have been working on, which is going to be out in August this year, and I can't wait to play all these songs. But I just want to thank all of you for being here. Thank you so much. Now, without wasting any more time, this is a song written for a very negative college professor from my engineering days. This song, I wish I could play this song in front of him. Someday I will, you know. It'll be there. The song is called Shagird Blues, you know.
से मिला मैं पूछा मैंने ये सवाल मेरी खुद मुख्तारी से क्यों तुझे इनकार जीने दे मुझको मेरी रजा रजा है ये मेरी अपनी दास्तां का मैं खुदा हाथों की लकीरों से चली है क्या फरामोशी न की कभी हुए आतिशों में जमा जीने दे मुझको मेरी खता पत्तों से पन्ने फलसफा ये राख हुआ
This is a song from Shakhsiyat called Gayab. And if you know the song, yeah, this song is, you know, it's about days when you sort of think that, you know, that shit is about to go down, but then, you know, somebody comes and saves you. And this is a song about that.
अपने नामों के बादल हैं लापता बरसा जो अब जा चुका बिन तेरे मेरी हस्ती है क्यों गुस्ताखी हो माफ हो हम नवा बैठे हैं हमसे वो यूं खफा सूरत तेरी फिरदो से पैगाम बिन तेरे दिल में सवालों में डूबा बिखरा सा इन जवाबों में गायब हो रहा गुस्ताखी हम नवा बैठे हैं हमसे वो यूं कफा Sing it one time. Na 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 na. Sing it louder. रतों का खुदारों के अंदाजों से जलता है ये जमाना ना बहलाते वो दिलों को सुनते ना वो बहाना साजो सामान से तू यूं ना कर दिलकशी पहचान तेरी कहीं यूं ना कर ले खुदकुशी वो कायदा इस दुनिया में आसा शामिल हो जाना चल के तू जाओ के रास्तों पर मंजर मंजर हो जाना रातों का फिर कोयला जले.
Hey, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. This is a song called Ulfat. Yeah?
चंद गुजारिशों के बोझ तले गुमशुदा हूँ इस कदर लगी उल्फत की नजर देख सके वो कभी दे इजाजत तो मिल सके उनसे नजर ये फरियाद बेअसर से या कर दे रहा हमें दिल की शिकस्त से सरेआम हुआ नीलाम मेरा लगी उल्फत की नजर से वक्त ले बदले गिन गिन हमसे बेखबर किस्मतों की साजिशों से वक्त ले बदले गिन गिन हमसे हो ना 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 के बोझ तले गुमशुदा हूँ इस कदर लगी
Hey, thank you. Thank you. We're gonna, as I was talking about the second album that I'm working on, and it's so crazy that, and I never thought I would be actually writing again after Shakshi because I thought I'll take a break and chill a bit. But while we were finishing the mixes, and I just started writing some ideas, and this was one of the first ideas that came, and this became a song called Mazi. Mazi means yesterday, but the song talks about not chasing it yesterday. If you know me a little bit, you know why I wrote this song, because people just don't let me live, man, online. And I would like to thank the people who actually fight on my behalf. I love those people. Thank you. Thank you so much for doing that, because people, man, I'm not the same person that I was 5 years ago, and some people just don't get it. And so I've written a song for them, which you see I've written a love letter to my haters, but it's not ready yet, but I would have played that one. But this one is there. This song is called Mazi, and the song is about, not chasing a yesterday and actually moving forward, which I always try to do. Well, thank you for Thank you for trolling the trolls on my behalf because I'm too old for that stuff, right? But thank you so much, whoever does that. Thank you. Means a lot. This is a song called Mazi.
ना हो मोहताज तू आज अपने माजी के, बिखरो न यूं कल के ये फरमानों में। रख लूं ये बोझ तेरा अपने कांधे पे, पर सकता बस मैं इतनी सी हैसियत मेरी, ऊपर से कोई ना लिखवा के आया, अपनी तकदीर है अपने हवाले। ओ मेरे दिल नशीं दस्तूर यही, जीत हार पहलू एक सिक्के के, है दफन अरमा ख्वाबों की कदर में, गिर के संभलना तुझको इस डगर में। ना हो मोहताज तू आज अपने माजी के, ना हो मोहताज तू आज अपने माजी के। ओ दरवाजे खोल दिल की दीवारों के, तू कह कशां आतिश तू इन रातों में, ऊपर से कोई ना लिखवा के आया, अपनी तकदीर है अपने हवाले। ओ मेरे दिल नशीं दस्तूर यही, जीधार पहलू एक सिक्के के, है दफन अरमा ख्वाबों की कब्र में, ये कैसा संभलना तुझको इस डगर में। है फर्ज ये मेरा रखूं अरमां सराखों पर तेरे, कैसे भूलूं थे तुम शामिल हर रंगम में मेरे। मेरे दिल नशीं दस्तूर यही, जीत हार पहलू एक सिक्के के, है दफन अरमा ख्वाबों की कब्र में, गिर के संभलना तुझको इस डगर में, ऊपर से कोई ना लिखवा के आया, अपनी तकदीर है अपने हवाले। ना हो मोहताज तू आज अपने माजी के, ना हो मोहताज तू आज अपने माजी के। ओ दरवाजे खोल दिल की दीवारों के, तू कह कशां आतिश तू इन रातों में।
Hey, thank you so much. That's a song. That's a song. That's a song. There was a song called Mazi. Thank you so much. As I said, I'm trying to. We are trying to actually play because, as I said, this probably would be our last show for the season. We are going to go back to the studio or take some break, because I've really bothered my team for the last 2 years. They are. We are trying our best, man, to do that. When this. Hey, thank you guys. This was a song called Mazi. I'm going to play you now a little bit from Success, and I'm going to get back to playing new songs. I am really excited to play new ones, and and also the fact that I must tell you, see, we don't get to play, places like this because there's no booze inside. Everybody's here. I can really talk my heart out. I can really, say what I wanted to say because in clubs, other places you don't get to do that. Basically, what is happening is like we are recording the fifth song I am writing the 7th song. We shot the video for the first song. We are mixing the 3rd song. So तो से आपके pieces हुए हैं, like in different places. And then you're trying to play the new songs, and also to remember the old ones so that you don't really fuck up on the stage or something like that. You don't mess up. So I'm just trying to tell you that to actually finally all that comes together and you get to play for people. It's a beautiful feeling, and thank you so much for that. I just want to say that. Thank you. I mean, people really got me this far, through your toughest times, so thank you. The next one is a song called Mastani, and this song is one of my favorite from the first album. This song is about trying to flirt with a girl and getting rejected by it. But then you are cool, so you write a song about it, and also, like it's like a sly, all right. It's like how you take a rejection, but you write a funk tune on it. That's what the song. That's why I find this cool. What? Oh, thank you. Yeah, Gaurav, let's start the song. मस्तानी कहे ना दिल लगाओ मेरी जानू दिल फेंक तू बदनाम हंसती है वो जैसे पंखुड़ी गुलाब थमाए दिलों के ये सैलाब ढूंढ ज़मीन हर फलक Thank you. That was Mustani. I think it's time we play the song that we're going to release. I think in June. This song is called Kismet. This is going to be the first song from the second album. And I haven't decided that yet. Maybe it's called Buddha with Rabab. I don't know. I'm just contemplating, man. You know, age is a funny thing if you play around with it. So, this song is called Kismet. Is sort of, I think I wrote it for, I don't know, for people that I found on the way. My friends here, all of them, they are the same 6 people that have been traveling with me for the last 2 years. So, I think I will dedicate this song to them, or my lovely friends and my crew and my band, everybody here. Shantanu, Gaurav, Yama, Supra, Man, you know, Utkarsh, everybody who's here. You know, this is a song called, this is about finding love in the most, whatever, you know. It was luck or something.
हमको मिली यूं मोहब्बत सर फिरे की थी किस्मत नाराज होकर जहां से दिल रुका उसके दर पर उसने की फिर मनमर्जी देखते यारी सी मोहब्बत शौक शायद हम उनके उसकी तलब इस कदर अब ना खबर इस जहां की शुरू का फिलहाल मोहब्बत है हकीकत ख्वाबों सी खुद को भूलूं मैं हर पल खुद से ना जहां से पिघले अरमान उनके साए में रंजिशें न कोई न खुद से ना जहां से फरार दिल जो कैदों से गुम उस नजर के पिंजरे में उस सर फेरे की थी किस्मत सर फेरे की थी किस्मत हमको मिली यूं मोहब्बत
Thank you. That's Kismet. And now I'm going to play you a song that we just celebrated the 2nd anniversary of that song. The song is called Wrong Answer. The song, that's not a super fan, is it? I'm just kidding. The song is called Mehroom. This is if you know the song, please sing along, Please, thank you so much. This is a song called Mehroom. It's about, I don't know. It's about telling the truth.
Na na na. महरूम हुए दिन ये रातें गवाएं है गम ये खुशी क्या ये कैसे इम्तिहान है दर बदर हर शख्स ढूंढे जिंदगी जो लापता है सुन सके ना बस कोई दीवारें दरमियां हैं आरज़ू ढूंढे खुशी के ठिकाने लफ्ज़ों में कैद जिंदगी के चंद बहाने आरज़ू ढूंढे लफ्ज़ों में कैद जिंदगी के चंद बहाने आबाद ओ मेरे अज़ीज़ क़यामत सी ये शाम जब ढले थम गया है हर कोई डूबती है पल पल ये कैसे इंतहा है गुम है चुप है सरज़मी के निशाने मंजिल का मुझको तू अब बता दे दे मुझे ओ मेरे अज़ीज़ क़यामत सी ये इस मौसम के तूफान कब होंगे किनारे शायद कल तो फिर से मुस्कुरा ले शायद कल नया हो तो फिर से मुस्कुरा ले शायद कल शायद कल नया हो तो फिर से मुस्कुरा ले शायद कल नया हो शायद कल नया हो तो फिर से मुस्कुरा ले शायद कल नया हो
I have so many songs to play. I can't do much more right now. But thank you for that lovely chorus from Bombay. That was probably the best Mehroom chorus we have done in the last 2 years. Thank you so much. This is a song called Lullaby for the Anxious Bones. Jam. सिवा ना मदद कोई रस्तों पे ढूंढे ये तुझे गहराई शाम लूं करवटें गद्दार इन रातों में आंखें तरसे नींदों के जाम फिर भी न समझूं जीने का कायदा खाऊं धोखे खद्दार इन रातों में आंखें तरसे नींदों के जाम सर के ये ज़मीन दिलों में फट रहा आसमां आए ना खुद पर अब यकीन दिलों में फट रहा आसमां है बस let's sing this with Gaurav and Shantanu, all right?
आवाज के सिवा ढूंढे ये तुझे गहराई शाम गहराई शाम गहराई शाम
This year Gaurav on bass and Shantanu on drums. Give it up. All right. This is probably going to be the most fun moment in the future for me because the next song I'm going to play is a song called Farzi Kirdar, and it's sort of based on a true story, sort of. I really wanted to write this song for the last 2 years. The song is actually about, falling in love with a psychopath. You will hear it. It's the most sophisticated way I found to put this across. This song is called Farzi Kirdar, and you sort of find a person and they just, take everything, in the name of love. This is on the album, and this is how it goes.
उस पर मैं सवार अपनी दास्तां के सारे निकले फर्जी किरदार के दरिया में कश्ती कागज की उस पर मैं सवार अपनी
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you. Oh. You have no idea how much anxiety I go through when I play a new song because you're like, oh, is that the lyric line? Is that the lyric line? But hey, thank you. Thank you for being supportive. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. And I said, I'm so grateful that I can do this for a living. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you. Now this song is for you guys. This song is called Ek Din. This song is about getting high with your friends and having a good time. Alright. Huh? Please sing this song. Yeah. Oh sorry. A little. What? Oh sorry. अब हम कर ही रहे हैं तो let me just talk. You know when we were writing Shakhsiyat and we really thought that this song is just rap. And yeah, we really thought of it. We all discussed, yeah, you know what? ऐसे ही निकाल देते हैं, you know, graphic novel type कुछ बना के. And whatever we were discussing it. No, none of us thought that this will actually work. And I think Ek Din is the most popular song on the album. And I don't know how. Then they're like, oh, you don't know how music works. You just don't know what works. So that's why this song has become so special because, you know, Kakayu! All of that. It was just, I was just having fun with it.
इत्तेफाकन कुछ मिला यूं था सच इस कदर उस पर जाओ मिलने एक दिन सर फिरावो नशे में हूँ कहीं मेरी सुन चाहूँ मैं भी किताबों में हो मेरा आशियाए ना हुए लतीफे बहुत हुई दे अब होने को रात मोहब्बत कर रही मेरा इंतजार जुल्फ में उनकी बस्ती है मेरी कायनात दुनिया मिल भी गई तो क्या समझेगी अपने जज्बात हम गए थे दिल लेकर ऐसी थी रूह हसरत मिल गए जमानों से हम मगर बदली सी जीने की यही कीमत खाता मासूमियत रंगों में ढलती मेरी नीयत खाता मासूमियत दुनिया बदलने की बातों पे जानू तुझको है नाज
never going to finish. Hey, thank you. That was some version of Ek Din. I don't know. Now we're gonna play you another new song. The song is called Hukka Pani. This song is, I don't know, this song is something I've never written before. The song is about how, I don't know, it's from a perspective of a careless, jobless artist, you know, who's just looking at the world and just trying to be funny and witty and, you know, because as an artist, you actually have friends from all, you know, sorts of life. You know, they are in jobs, they are lawyers, they are drug dealers. I don't know, all I don't know. You know, politician's son or a bureaucrat's son. I don't know, all kind of people, and you talk to them about what they think about where we're going as a nation, and they have some really unique perspective according to the privilege that they have, or the privilege that I write about that, or I didn't write. I mean, the artist that is writing the song is writing from also sort of privilege, and Hukka Pani came to light in the sense that this is what my friends talk about, this is what the intellectuals talk about, this is what the journalists talk about, this is what the influencer talks about. They are also in the song, I guess, you know, and I actually make money off by telling what they talk about. That is what I thought would be the idea. And I'm not saying that the writer is actually outside of the equation that he's writing the song about. I think it's sort of, I just wanted to write about the hypocrisy that we live in every day, and we call it a good life. That is what this song is about. I don't want to sound pretentious, but that is exactly what the song is. It's called Hukka Pani, and it talks really about where we are going. And I'm going to go tomorrow to Delhi and vote. You know, if you guys voted for in Bombay, good on you, man. Good. You know, exercise your right. Yeah. Oh, how do we start the song? Yeah. So it's Gaurav is a little cranky today because we can't drink booze on the stage. So it's okay, Gaurav, I'm going to let it pass. You know, it's all right. He is, come on. He can't drink even kombucha here. It's okay, Gaurav, it's all right. We're going to be fine in exactly a minute. Pani hai, but we have water. He's like, just, all right. Hey, this is a version of Hukka Pani that we try to play live. And I'm not saying that, you know, I'm learning.
देखो गली में आज कैसा शोर है, खबर है कि रहनुमा अपने चोर हैं। तस्करी देखो इंसानियत की यहाँ, खबरें हैं या सौदागर का इश्तिहार है। जाट पे चलती है सरकार यहाँ, मजहब का बेहतरीन कारोबार है। ज्ञान पे लें विदेशों से अपने यार, बुद्धिजीवियों का कैसा माया जाल है। चलता है हुक्का पानी मेरा इन बातों से, चलता है हुक्का पानी मेरा इन बातों से। जुबां पे ताले हैं यहाँ, अपने चलचित्र का चरित्र बीमार है। कलाकारों की जुबां पे ताले हैं यहाँ, अपने चलचित्र का चरित्र बीमार है। सनसनीखेज दस्तावेजों का बोलबाला देखो, खबरें हैं फिल्मी पत्रकार अदाकार है। कमरों में बैठे काउच क्रांतिकारी मेरे यार, क्रांति चाहे वो होम डिलीवर हो, वे लेके खुद की ढूंढे उसमें ये जहां। खुद परस्ती ये अपनी लाइलाज है, चलता है हुक्का पानी मेरा इन बातों से, चलता
Thank you. That is a that is. I mean, that's how the album is going on. Thank you so much. That is a song called Hukka Pani, and I thought when I was writing it, I thought it was kind of something I never done, and that's the idea of pursuing this. Anyway, but thank you so much. This is the next song. Is a song you probably know. The song is called Dastan-e-Shauq. Before I play the song, Dastan-e-Shauq this means that a story of self-indulgence. And if you are somewhere in life where you're trying to really figure out, have we gone crazy, or are you correct or right? Man, everybody's crazy. Trust me, in their own way. So if you're trying to pursue dreams, I would say just go for it, man, and probably fail at it. You'll have a great story to write about. This is what the song is actually about. The song is called Dastan-e-Shauq. If you know the song, please help.
से देखो दिखती सूरत में सीरत तेरे गर्दन दिल की बदले न पल पल फितरत सके नाता पूछे बातों ही बातों में पूछे क्या है कीमत तुझसे पूछूं तू ही बातों में पूछूं क्या है कीमत तेरे इन ख्वाबों की तेरे इन ख्वाबों की
thank you. Please give it a huge applause for G5 Foundation. Hey, thank you so much, G5. Thank you so much, sir. It's a beautiful place. Thank you so much for getting us here. Thank you so much. Please give it up for Mr. Shantu Sudarshan on drums. Mr. Gaurav Chintamani on the bass. Please give a huge shout out to our engineer Supratik Das. Hey Supra, thanks man. And my brother Mr. Man Barua, who's here always. Hey man, 2 साल से हम यहीं अच्छे की studio, like it's just insane. And please give it up for my manager Yama Seth, who's been running this crazy ship and letting us, helping us do what we want to do as artists. Thank you, Level House. Thank you, Utkarsh, everybody here. Again, I say one more time, hey, this is. Hey, thank you. Hey, thank you. Hey, thank you. No, that's not what we do here. Thank you. Not today. I want to talk to you guys. Thank you so much for the amazing 2 years. And as I said again, thank you so much for trolling my trolls. It's the most beautiful thing I've seen. I showed it to my friends. It was fucking amazing. Thank you so much. And the new album is going to be released in August, and I have already seen the finish line, and I just played you a couple of those, and I cannot wait to put this music out and to play it again live for you guys. But again, thank you G5A, thank you so much G5A team, thank you so much, and thank you Mumbai. This is the last song for the year. The song is called Maqbool, which is. Hey, thank you. Let's have a jam on it and then see you.
को सलाम हर नजर बिक गई है सुबह हर कलम है नीलाम हुजूरों को सलाम Thank you, my man! Hey, good night. Thank you so much. Alright, I'm going to play a song that I really want to play. Hey, no. You know, like the thing is, let's play a song that I really want to play again. Hey, Bombay, thank you so much. This is the encore. That means you have to actually sing the song. We're just gonna be your backing band for the next 5 minutes. But hey, again, thank you so much. Thank you. I couldn't have asked for a better, gig to end this year with. Thank you so much. I'll see you in like a couple of months, probably 4 or 5 months, with the new album. And thank you so much. This is a song, as I say, this is my favorite song from the album. It's called Mastani. I'm gonna play that and just jam with it. Please sing the song, cause I am a. Yeah, just sing it, man, with us. Well, I gotta start the song lesser before the bar closes. We really need a drink, right? Thank you, Mumbai. Thank you so much. Thank you for making our day. Thank you so much. मस्तानी कहे ना दिल लगाओ मेरी जानो दिल फेंक तू बदनाम हंसती है वो जैसे पंखुड़ी गुलाब ना 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 Come on. Not bad, not bad. पूछूं उनसे छुपे कहती है मुझे दिल पे तू बदनाम शोहरत ये तेरी You just experience what I actually do in the studio.